Hey, welcome back. Well, the holidays are over, but the gifts and the packages still keep coming. So I know we already had our big reveal, that grand moment where we unbox the Canon cameras. Today is my first day back, teacher work day, before the students come back. And I saw this box here waiting for me in my mailbox, so let's check it out. What do you think might be inside? Ooh, SD card readers. All right, so we got 3 of them, excellent, 1 for each camera. So these SD card readers here, the purpose they serve is that they will read the SD cards. So over here are our SD cards. So these are the awesome Dell laptops that are school issued for teachers and for students. So over here on the side, we have our HDMI ports and our USB ports. What we do not have is an SD card reader built into these. So that is where that SD card reader comes in handy. We could go ahead and plug that in the port over there and transfer the video from our SD cards onto our laptop. So the SD card reader has this USB-C connection over here, which you plug in there. And then there's a slot over here where you would put the SD card here in this slot. I don't know if you can see it that well because it's kind of dark. All right, here we go. Then I just go ahead and click on this yellow file folder over here. And it'll show up here as the Canon drive. So we double click on that. Click on the DCIM. And here are our latest files from today. Okay, so these SanDisk SD card readers retail for about $30 each or so. This is all part of a $6,000 grant that we received because of the generosity of the Munster Education Foundation. So tomorrow's gonna be the first day back for students after winter break, and hopefully getting all this new equipment will take some of the sting of having to come back to school, because they're gonna come back and have some exciting projects to work on thanks to this video production equipment. We're gonna be working on some exciting stuff in my marketing class, my entrepreneurship class, and for Blue Ocean Strategy Club. All right, I hope you all have a great and prosperous new year, and I'll see you in the next one.